Alright, this is JC Heating and Cooling. We're here at the Tulio installation in Red Rose Gate, Levittown, PA. This is the Bryant Evolution 19 seer variable speed air conditioner. So you can see we have our secondary drain pan here for extra protection with a float switch. Our easy trap with a float switch. So this is our triple safety system to ensure that they'll never have a leak through the ceiling. Oversized 18-inch flex duct. It's hard to see, but an oversized 1.1" line set. Everything for high efficiency. The ductwork was undersized here. That's why we had to run a bigger return flex that Joe's finishing up over there. Also, what was that in there? We had to add an additional supply here, and we also added a supply in the bathroom because it was always hot in here. Evolution control system. This reads the indoor and outdoor systems, the boards, and does an automatic setup. Also advanced diagnostics. Alright, so here we are at the outdoor unit. As you can see, we had to open up the wall a little bit here. Our condenser pad leveled and well supported. Our line set cover here. The system is running now at its peak demand, and it is whisper quiet. New disconnect. Evolution 19 seer Bryant variable speed air conditioning, top of the line. This is the Cadillac of air conditioning systems. Well, great. We'll see you on the next job. Thank you very much, and this is JC Heating and Cooling.